Today I'm going to show you how to clean the exterior of your camera using the WD-40 Specialist Dust-Free Air Duster. You're going to need a soft brush, some cotton swabs, a lens cleaning cloth and lens cleaning solution. Now we are ready. Firstly, we remove the cap and hold the can in an upright position. Do not shake it before or during use. Spray it in short, even bursts to thoroughly remove dust and debris from the entire camera. Next, I'm going to use the soft brush and work around to make sure there is no large debris anywhere. While brushing off the dirt, I will also use the WD-40 Dust-Free Air Duster here. Next, I will clean the entire camera using a lens cleaning cloth with the solution. Finally, we go with the air duster overall around the camera to give a clean final blast. We don't recommend using the WD-40 Dust-Free Air Duster for cleaning the sensor. We would suggest using any sensor cleaning kit and to follow the proper steps to clean this area. Now you know how to clean the exterior of your camera, so you get to always keep your gears clean and ready for your next shoot.